We already know that ascending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest number. So starting with the smallest number, we arrange the numbers one after the other from the smallest to the largest. Just like these ducks are arranged from the smallest to the largest. And descending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. So I start with the largest number and then I move to the smallest number, just like how these ducks are arranged from the largest to the smallest. Now let us see how we can arrange or order 6-digit numbers. So we have already learned how we can compare 6-digit numbers. We learned certain rules for comparing two 6-digit numbers. So let us revise these rules first. So the first trick is to count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. What do we mean by this? So if I have a number like this and I have another number like this. Now this number has 6 digits and this number has 5 digits. So the number having 6 digits will be greater than the number having 5 digits. So the first step is to count the number of digits, and the number with more number of digits will always be greater than the number with lesser number of digits. Now what is the second trick? If the numbers have equal number of digits, then compare the lakhs digit. If the lakhs digit is greater, the number is greater. So we are talking about 6-digit numbers. Now in 6-digit numbers, in a 6-digit number, the first digit is the lakhs digit. Now this is one 6-digit number. Let me take another 6-digit number. These are two 6-digit numbers. So if I count the number of digits, the number of digits are the same. Numbers have equal number of digits. So what do I do? So the next step is to compare the lakhs digit. The lakhs digit in this number is 1 and in this number it is 8. Now 8 is greater than 1. So this number is greater than this number. So if the number of digits are equal, I compare the first digits, that is the lakhs digits of the two numbers, and the number with greater first digit will be greater. Now if the lakhs digits are equal, then compare the 10,000 digits of the given numbers. If the 10,000 digit is greater, the number is greater. So what does this mean? This means that if I have a number like this, it is a 6-digit number, and I have another number like this, which is also a 6-digit number. So the number of digits are equal. Now we compare the lakhs digit. We see that the lakhs digits are also equal. It is 8 for both the numbers. So we move to the 10,000 digit, which is 5 here and which is 1 here. Now 5 is greater than 1. So this number will be greater than this number. So if the lakhs digits are equal, we move on to the 10,000 digits. And similarly, if the 10,000 digits are also equal, then compare the thousands digits. The number with a greater thousands digit will be greater. Again, after the thousands digit, I have the hundreds digit. And now if the thousands digits are also equal, then we move to the hundreds digits and compare the hundreds digits. The number with a greater hundreds digit will be greater. Similarly, I keep on moving to the next digit. That is, after the hundreds digit, we compare the tens digits. If they are also equal, then we compare the ones digits. So in this way, we can compare two 6-digit numbers. Now, in this manner, using these rules and these tricks, we can compare not just 2, but more 6-digit numbers as well, and arrange them in ascending or descending order. Let us see how. So we need to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now ascending order means from the smallest to the largest. So I need to start with the smallest number and move on to the largest number. So the first step is to count the number of digits. Now this number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. This number also has 6 digits. This number has 5 digits. This number has 6 digits. And this number also has 6 digits. So we have 4 6-digit numbers and 1 5-digit number. Now I know that any number having 5 digits will be smaller than any number having 6 digits. So this number will be the smallest number among all these numbers because it has 5 digits. It is the only number having 5 digits. All the other numbers have 6 digits. So this number is the smallest number, and it will come in the beginning because we are supposed to arrange from smallest to largest. So smallest number will come at the beginning. So this is what I have. So 97814 will be the first number. Now these 4 numbers have 6 digits. So what is the next step? The next step is to compare the last digit or the first digit of these numbers. So in this number, the first digit is 2. The first digit of this number is 6. The first digit of this number is 6 again. And the first digit of this number is 2. Now 2 is less than 6. So the numbers having 2 as the first digit will be less than the numbers having 6 as their first digits. So this number and this number, they will be less than each of these 2 numbers. So this number will come before these 2 numbers. So the numbers starting with 2 will come before the numbers starting with 6 when I arrange in ascending order. So I bring this number here. So this is how I can write it. Now I am yet to compare these 2 numbers. So the first digit of this number and this number is 2. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 3 here. The next digit is 3 here. So again they are equal. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 8 here. And it is 0 here. Now 0 is less than 8. So this number will be less than this number. So it will come before this. So this is how I can write it. Now what is left? I have not yet compared these 2 numbers. I know that these 2 will be the last 2 numbers. But then which one will be the last? Which one will be the second last? I need to check that. So again the 2 numbers have 6 digits. The first digit is 6 in both the cases. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 8 here. It is 8 here. So again they are equal. I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 5 here. It is 5 here again. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 9 here. And it is 3 here. Now 3 is smaller than 9. So this number will be smaller than this number. So it will come before this number when I arrange in ascending order. So this is how I can write the numbers. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order. This is the smallest number. This is the largest number. I can also write them as 97814 less than 230996 less than 238650 less than 685924 less than 685309. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order. smallest to the largest. Now we are supposed to arrange these numbers in descending order. How can we do that? Descending means from the largest to the smallest. So the first step is to count the number of digits. Now this number has 6 digits. This number has 6 digits. This number has 5 digits. This number has 6 digits. This number also has 6 digits. So the numbers having 6 digits will be greater than the number having 5 digits. Now the smallest number will go at the end because we are supposed to arrange in descending order. So this will be the smallest number. It will go at the end. So this is how I can write these numbers. Now I need to arrange these 4 numbers. Each of the numbers has 6 digits. So I need to compare the first digits. The first digit is 8 here. The first digit is 6 here. It is 8 here and 6 here. Now I know 8 is greater than 6. So the numbers having 8 as their first digits will be greater than the numbers having 6 as their first digits. So these two numbers will be greater than these two numbers. So these two numbers will come in the beginning. So I need to bring this number here. So this is how I can write it. Now these two numbers will be the first two numbers. But between these two numbers, which will be the first number, which will be the second number? For that, I need to compare these two. The first digit is 8 here. The first digit is 8 here. They are equal. The second digit is 4 here. The second digit is 5 here. Now 5 is greater than 4. So this number will be greater than this number. So this number comes at the beginning. This is how I can write it. Now these two numbers have to be compared and arranged. So the first digit is 6 in both the numbers. I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 5 here. It is 5 here. They are again equal. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 2 here and 8 here. Now 8 is greater than 2. So this number will be greater than this number. So it will come before this number when I am arranging in descending order. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order from the largest to the smallest. So this number is greater than this number. This number is greater than this number. This is greater than this. And this is greater than this. So this is how I can arrange the numbers in descending order from the largest to the smallest. So this is how you can arrange 6-digit numbers in ascending or descending order using the tricks which we had learned for comparing two 6-digit numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.